The Bouldon Portable Nebulizer feels genuinely travel-ready, with a compact handheld design and a rechargeable battery that lasts for several hours of continuous use between charges. Its self-cleaning mode is a standout feature, flushing the mesh with a timed mist cycle so residue does not build up and routine maintenance stays quick and simple. The intuitive lighted controls make it easy to choose between faster or gentler mist output, so you can match each session to your comfort level without fiddling with complicated settings. During use, the device stays impressively quiet, which is especially helpful for nighttime treatments or for children who are sensitive to noise. The fine mist it produces is consistent and smooth when paired with saline solution, giving treatments that feel effective without being harsh on the throat or airways. Because it is easy to disassemble and wipe the mesh plate before and after sessions, it remains reliable over time and feels like a sturdy, long-term option for home, office, or travel use.